Hello everyone, welcome to mathematics tutorial. So today we will discuss on how to construct a truth tables. So before we will construct a truth tables, first we need to identify the connective and symbols in its statement. So we have here a type of statement. We have conjunction number 1, and the connective used in conjunction is and. Ito yung connective na ginagamit if the statement is conjunction, and symbol for conjunction is ito, symbol, tandaan, read as and number 2 we have disjunction, and the connective words that we use is or, and this is the symbol for disjunction or. Then we have negation, and the connected word is not. So ito yung symbol for negation. And for conditional, we have if then, ito yung symbol for conditional. And by conditional, if and only if, ito yung symbol ng by conditional. Tandaan yan, that is very important in constructing a truth tables. So we have number 1, we have a conjunction. So when we see conjunctions, the connectives and implies the idea of both. So for conjunctions, P, ito stands for and Q to be true if both P and Q must be true. So tandaan, maging true lang ang P and Q, ito, P and Q, if both statements are true. So paano natin nakuha yung rows dito? So in finding the rows, we have formula that is 2 raised to n. So ang 2 is constant. So 2, ang n is number of variables. So dito, there are two variables, that is P and Q. That is represents the statement P and Q. So there are two variables. So that is meaning that is 2 raised to 2, that is equivalent to 4 rows. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 rows. Okay? Next, tandaan, ito na yung mga constant value ng P and Q. Constant na yan. Ang hanapin natin is P and Q. Ito, P and Q. So what is the value of P and Q with a given statement P and Q? So tandaan, maging true lang ang P and Q if both statements are true. So let's see, number 1. Itong yung scenario number 1. Ito, we have yung hypothesis P or statement 1 is true, then yung conclusion natin or Q true pa rin. So ano yung labas niya if it is true or false? Tandaan that both P must be true so that P and Q magiging true rin. So scenario number 1, true, true, so meaning magiging true. Okay, tandaan, maging true lang ang P and Q if both statements are true. So this one, true, true. Scenario number 2, T and F, so meaning false. Kasi both dapat true silang dalawa, each statement. Then false and true, so meaning that is false. And FF, automatically that is false. Tandaan, pag conjunction, ito yung and, meaning both are true. Tandaan, ito, true and true. So, magiging true yung P and Q. Then, the rest, magiging false na yan. Ito, false, false, false. Kasi isa lang ang true dito, dito isa lang, and dito wala. So, magiging true lang ang P and Q if P and Q is or are true. Okay? Nakuha. Next, we have conjunctions or disjunctions. So we have the use of or is called the inclusive or disjunction. So when we say inclusive disjunction, it is true unless both components are false. So simply means inclusive disjunctions is true when at least one statement is true. So ito, constant naman value ng P and Q, that is true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. So we will find the truth table of P or Q. Tandaan, maging true lang ang P or Q if at least may isa sa kanila na true. Tandaan, at least may isa sa kanila na true. So mag-base tayo dito. At least, tandaan, ito ang or, P or Q. So at least one true. Para maging true yung P or Q. So tingnan natin, scenario number 1, first statement is true and second statement is true. So magiging true. This one, scenario number 2, we have first statement is true and second statement is false. So ang labas nito is true kasi at least one true. Okay? Next, we have false, we have true. So magiging true. And this one, fourth, false, false. So walang true, so that meaning that is false. Tandaan, at least one true. Okay, next we have conditional. So conditional, tandaan, if P then Q is false only when P is true and Q is false. Otherwise, it is true. Tandaan, yung conditional naman, maging false lang ang P, maging false lang ito. Wait lang. Maging false lang ito if P is true. So, ang P is true and Q is false. Magiging false lang ito. So, hanapin natin dito. Tandaan, ang P is true and Q is false. Then ang result niyan is false. Okay? Then the rest are true. So tingnan natin. So scenario number 1, true and true. So that is false. Ay, true pala, true. True. This is true. Erase muna. So we have magiging true ito. How about true and false? Ang P is true and Q is false. So ito. So magiging false. Then false ang P, true ang Q, that is true, and false, false, that is true. Tandaan, ang false lang dito is if ang P is true, then ang Q is false. So that is for conditional. Tandaan, if P then Q is false, okay, if P then Q is false, only when P is true, ito, when P is true and Q is false. Then otherwise or the rest are true. So, tingnan natin dito yung P is true and false is true, then the result is false. Okay? Then the rest are true. That is on how to construct a conditional truth table for the conditional P and Q. Okay? Next, we have negation. So, when we say negation, that is uh, tandaan from the word itself, negation. So, kabaliktaran. Okay? So, in constructing truth tables for simple proposition negation, so this is symbol for negation or not P. So, meaning, pag not P, meaning that is kabaliktaran ng P. So, pag ang statement is true, pag statement is true, kabaliktaran yan is false. And if the statement is false, ang negation yan is true. Tandaan. On how to construct a truth table for number 1, we have the negation of P and Q. So, tandaan, ito na yung constant value or statement ng P and Q. And ang hanapin lang natin dito is P and Q and the negation of P and Q. So, tandaan, pag ang statement is a conjunction or and, this one, symbol for and, so magiging true lang ang P and Q if both statement are true. So, tandaan, P and Q, pag true lang ito if both P and Q are true. So, tandaan, yan lang ang at laging tandaan, pag and, magiging true lang ito pag P and Q are true. So, first scenario, we have ang P is true and Q is true. So, ang result niyan, P and Q is true. And second scenario, we have ang P is true and Q is false. So, meaning that is false. Ang P is false and Q is true, that is false. And ang P is false and Q is false, magiging false. Kaya ang sabi, magiging true lang ang P and Q if P and Q are true. So, ito, scenario number 1, P and Q is true. So, P and Q is true. The result is true. Then, dito, that is not, meaning negation, not P and Q. So, meaning we need to baliktarin lang natin itong result na ito, P and Q. So, P and Q is true. Pag i-negate natin yan, that is false. Then, this one magiging true. And this one magiging true. Kabaliktaran. So, this one is true. So, that is example for number 1. Example, we have number 2, the negation of P or Q. So, tandaan, this is for disjunction. So, meaning, maging true lang ang P or Q if at least may isa sa kanila na true. So, tandaan, or, ito, or. So, this is or, P or Q, at least may isa sa kanila na true, at least one true. So, P or Q, so scenario number 1, we have true, true, so meaning P or Q, that is true. This one, may isang true, so automatically that is true. And F and T, that is true. And this one, magiging false. At least one true. So, merong true dito, merong true, at least one. So, meaning, P or Q magiging true. True, true, and negation of P or Q. So kabaliktaran dito. So pag ang statement is true, pag i-negate natin yan, magiging false. This one magiging false. This one magiging false. And this one magiging true. That is for negation of P or Q. Okay, next. Okay, another example, number 3, we have the negation of P and not Q. So again, there are two variables. So ang rows natin is 4. So two variables. So there are 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we will find the negation of Q. So when we see negation of Q, kabaliktaran ng Q. So dito tayo mag-focus so that we can find the negation of Q. So meaning kabaliktaran ng Q. So pag true, meaning magiging false. Pag false, magiging true. Pag true, magiging false. And false, magiging true. Then we will find P or and negation of Q. P and negation of Q. So meaning, tandaan magiging true lang ang P and Q if both statements are true. So mag-focus tayo dito, P and Q. So tandaan, and if P and Q is true, magiging true ang sagot. So first scenario, when P is true and Q is false, so meaning that is false. This one, if P is true and negation of Q is true, so meaning that is true. And P is false and the negation is false, that is false. And P is false and negation is true, that is false. So that is the P and negation of Q. Next, we will find the negation of this statement. So negation, so baliktarin lang natin ito. Baliktarin lang natin itong result nito. So we have baliktad ng false, magiging true. Kabaliktaran ng true, magiging false. Kabaliktaran ng false, magiging true. And kabaliktaran ng false, magiging true. So that's all for number 3. Construct the truth table for the following compound proposition. So assume all variables denote proposition. So since tingnan natin yung variable natin or letters, there are 3 letters. So we have magiging 2 raised to 3 equals 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8 rows. So itong 8 rows. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows. Then we'll find the truth value of P. So we have, ito yung mga constant, that is T, wait lang, T, T, or true, false, false, and false. Sa Q naman, that is T, or true, false, true, false. And sa R, we have true, false, false, true, and false. Ito yung mga constant value ng P, R, and Q. Ito yung mga truth values, constant na ito. Then we will find first the negation of P. So when we see negation, that is not P, kabaliktaran ng truth values of P. So kabaliktaran ng true, that is false. Okay, this one kabaliktaran, we have false. Kabaliktaran, we have false. And this one magiging false. Ang false magiging true. And this one magiging true. This one magiging true. And yung F magiging true pa rin. Okay, next. Ang negation of R. So, kabaliktaran ng R. So, dito is true. So, kabaliktaran yan is false. Dito is false, magiging true. True, magiging false. False, magiging true. Ang true, magiging false. Ang false, magiging true. Ang true, magiging false. Ang false, magiging true. That is negation. Next, we will find the Q and this one is and. The negation of R. So meaning, anong tandaan natin pag and? Magiging true lang ito pag ang Q and R is both statement is true. So magiging true lang ito dito, may true lang ito if yung Q and negation of R is true. So tingnan natin, ang Q natin is ito, then ang negation of R is 2. Magiging true lang ito pag ang value ng Q and negation of R is true. So tingnan natin una, true and false. So meaning false. This one true and true. So magiging true. Kasi and. So both of this statement is true. So Q and negation of R is true. So magiging true. Then this one false and false. So magiging false. False and true. Magiging false. True and false. Magiging false pa rin. True and true. Okay, magiging true. This one false and false. Magiging false. And last, false and true, magiging false. So tingnan natin yung true lang natin. Diba yung value ng P and the value of negation of R is true, so magiging true siya. Then the rest, false na yung result. Next, this one, negation of P and this one. So, and pa rin, tingnan natin yung ito. And, so meaning that is conjunction. So, negation of P. So, dito na tayo mag-base. Negation of P and this one. Dito na tayo nakapokus na. Ulit. Negation of P and this one. So, since and pa rin yung dito, or that is conjunction, so magiging true lang ito pag both negation of P and this one is true. So tingnan natin, we have false and false, so meaning ang result is false. False and true, so magiging false pa rin. False and false, so magiging false. False and false, magiging false. Then true and false, we have false pa rin. And this one, true and true, magiging true. Then true and false, magiging false. True and false, magiging false. Tingnan natin, ano yung true lang dito? Ito, kasi yung value ng Q and negation of R is true, and the value of negation of P is true, so magiging true yung sagot natin dito. Kasi with this conjunction and, okay, tandaan yan, magiging true lang statement if both value of P and Q are true. So that is example of compound propositions in conjunction, kasi and ang symbol dito. Okay, so that is first example. Another example we have, so alamin muna natin yung value ng p dito. Ito yung constant. Pag dalawa lang yung variable natin, so that is 2 raised to 2. So there are 4 rows. So we have true, true, false, false. And this one magiging true, false, true, and false. Then tingnan natin dito, mayroong negation of p. So lagay natin dito negation of p. So meaning negate natin yung p. So true magiging false, ang true magiging false, ang false magiging true, and yung false magiging true. And this one, negation of q. So we have false, true, false, and true. Then this one, q and q or negation of p. So or, ito yung symbol for disjunction. So q or negation of p. So pag mag-true lang ito if may makita kayo kahit isa sa kanila na true. So magiging true lang ito if at least may isa sa kanila na true. So tingnan natin q and negation of p. So this one is true and false. So may isa sa kanila is true. So automatically this is true. This one false and false. So automatically this is false. This one true and true. So meaning true. And this one false and true, magiging true. Next, this one q or negation of p. Ito p or negation of p, ito na yan value nito. And tingnan natin symbol, this is and negation of q. So meaning dapat magiging true lang ito pag ang both statement dito and negation of q is true. So mag-base naman tayo dito and negation of q. Mag-base tayo dito. So magiging true lang itong dalawa if both this one and this one are true. So this one true and false. So automatically this is false. False and true. This is false. True and false magiging false, and true and true, this is true because of the word and this is or. Tandaan, magkaiba yung or and and. Ang or that is for disjunction and that is for conjunction. Then last we have p and this one, p and ito. So p, so that is ito value nito and ang value nito. So since yung symbol natin dito is and, so again pag and magiging true lang ito pag ang both statements are true. So tingnan natin yung p and this one. So ang p is true and this one is false. So ang result is false. True and false magiging false. False and false magiging false. False and true magiging false. Walang true kasi wala tayong makita na both sides are true. So tingnan natin dito, true, false, true, false, 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 and false, true. So walang result na true dito. Okay, nakuha? Okay, very good.